Well, hey guys, how's it going? Darn it if Mark at KYD didn't beat me to this video. I had was gonna leave some introduction and decided that I was gonna do it, you know, this week instead of last week. Well, this is the classic case of early bird gets the worm, and guess what? I didn't get the worm. If you guys don't know what KYD is, it's Keep Your Daydreams. If you haven't checked out their channel, by all means do. Mark and Trish do a fabulous job, and they are a wealth of information. So go check out KYD, but for right now I'm going to show you this guy. This is our 50 amp to 30 amp. We have this Inverter Generator right here. I'll have Beth zoom in on it. Furman, Champion, they're both the same company, just a different name. This is what they call an inverter generator. It's a quiet generator. Honda makes them, Yamaha, there's the list goes on. There's a ton out there that do this. That being said, this is a 30 amp plug, not a 50, so we are going to have to amp down. Now, I kind of stumbled upon this about a month ago. We haven't had to use this because we've been at sites that have full hookups, full electric, 50 amps. So we just kind of stumbled upon trying to just make sure that this worked before we got into a boondocking situation. And while the generator worked, but I was getting a faulty message on my surge protector. And I'm going to show you what that is here. So basically, you're going to take your 50 amp and you're going to plug it into your dog bone. Now, I am going to go ahead and start this up. It's cold. Now, normally I would take this out. I'm just showing you this for video purposes. So it's firing up right now. You'll see that the lights will come on and we'll get a display here. Once we get a display, I will plug it in. Okay, so now we have output. We're going to plug that in, and now, come with me. In case you don't know what a surge guard is. Okay, here's where the fireplace was. Literally took me about 30 seconds to pop that guy out. Like I said, that is our inline from our pedestal. Comes over, that is our surge guard. This is one of those #1 things to get. You want to have clean power. Mine's an inline. They make plenty that can just plug into the pedestal and then you plug into it. Being that we live out of this was the better route for us. It is a surge protector. Everybody should have a surge protector of some sort. I'll have Beth hand this to me. You can see that it's saying reverse polarity. Okay, so now this is where I ran into an issue. I was trying to figure out, why does it say reverse polarity? Well, come back with me. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to leave this in the background so you can see that I don't change anything. Everything is wired perfectly. I was really struggling with a hard time trying to figure this out. And then I stumbled across this guy here. And I'll try and zoom in on it. Hopefully Beth can pick it up better. This is what they call a neutral ground bonding plug. Yes, you can make these yourself. This is one of these. This is actually the Southwire is the brand of surge guard that I have. So I just went with this. It was about 12 bucks on Amazon. I'll post a link down in the basement. And I don't know why I say basement. I always say basement. I will put it in the comments. Basically what this does is, if you look at these inverter style, I'll have Beth zoom in here. It has what they call a floating neutral. So that's why the surge protector is thinking that there is reverse polarity, because it's not picking up the neutral. So it's not allowing any energy to come in, electricity, into the panel. So it is totally shut off. But this thing is like, that's awesome. it has fairy dust on the inside, and that's how it works. No, just kidding. Basically, it does exactly what it says. It's bonding your neutral and your ground together so that it completes the circuit. So how do you do this? It's really easy. You just take it, you plug it in here, and we're going to start this guy back up. So again, we are going to wait for this light to come on and this guy to come on. Bam, bam. Now we'll go up to the front. Okay, so now you see that it is not showing, sorry, the mic is in the way here. It is only showing a delay. Now this thing has a protection delay that allows it, I think it's 126 seconds, to make sure that there's no spike or anything, that the voltage levels out, and then it'll fire on. So I'll put it here, and I'll spare you the 2 minutes of just waiting for this thing and me yammering on. But as soon as it pops over, I'll get close to it around 124 seconds or so, and then you'll see that it pops on, everything is golden, and we will have juice again. So it's actually a really cool little fix. For you can probably make it yourself for probably about $5. Peace of mind for me, it was 14 bucks, and it was simple. Okay, so we are zooming back in here around 119. So like I said, when we get to about 126, you'll see that that thing kicks off. Bam. Now we have electricity. And I'll show you on my Victron here that now, this will take just a minute to catch up, but you'll see that we're pulling energy back into this instead of running off. See, there we go. So now you'll see we're pulling, we spiked up at 21, and we're pulling a bunch of watts back out. So you don't need the Victron. That's just another system that I have that we'll do a video on. But I just wanted to show you the grounding neutral bonding plug, and that's how that works. It's awesome. Like I said, it's got magic fairy dust in it. But no, in all honesty, that is how this thing works. If you have any questions, let me know. Throw them down in the comments. We will get back to you as soon as we see them. It is a really cool system. It's really easy. So if you have one of these quiet generators, an inverter style generator, and you plug in your camper and it doesn't work, this is what you need, okay? Simple. Don't freak out. It's not the end of the world by any means. It's a simple fix, and like I said, that's all we got. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and you know, hit that like button down on the bottom. It does help our algorithms, and we greatly appreciate it. And once again, thank you for taking the time to watch our video, and we'll see you guys next week. We'll see you later.